Well, there we go. It's Bean Lake. We came, we saw, and we are leaving now. On our way to Pine Junction Shelter. Taco, is that?
I believe that's what it's called, yeah.
All right. And away we go. There were some pretty big water holes on this trail going down too. But nothing that we're gonna get stuck at or anything.
No, I think we'll be good.
I don't see us getting stuck. What I see maybe is too deep. But mind you, if these ones aren't too bad, then we should be okay.
I think we'll be fine.
Oh, look at this bird. Look at this bird.
He's a coming.
Look, it's a grouse. There's chicks in there. She's running away from us.
Yeah.
There she goes.
Oh, that's some good eating, man.
Oh, this one I remember. This was about the same, so we might be okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna get wet. Here's Slow Dave. Need a pole or what?
This is it. She's deep.
How much is a two-wheel? What, he doesn't want to get his feet wet or what? Oh, no. Why did you just follow us? He's on an angle.
I'd say.
He has to be different, doesn't he? Well, I'm going to have a sip of coffee.
What a dipstick.
Hey, burrito.
Yeah.
There's one in every crowd.
Yeah. If it's not Speedy, it's James.
We're going to start calling him Speedy Jr.
Yeah. Good job, Speedy.
I ain't getting my feet wet.
Yeah, okay. Four-wheel drive, James. There's a button there. Oh, man. That is awesome.
I love it.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Kurt's gonna come through now. The big 1000.
Yeah, we might get wet. You got us right.
That was good. This is a long one.
Where is Dave?
I don't know, but he didn't get stuck in here, so it should be okay.
Well, Auga.
I can't believe my wife actually came into this area with me and drove on a lot of these hills. She does not like hills.
What does she like? What, she's a flat, straight princess or what?
Yeah. She doesn't even like quadding. She just goes just to appease me. Because I bought.
That's mighty nice of her.
Yeah, because I bought a quad for her to ride, and I think she feels bad that.
Feels obligated.
That's pretty in there.
Yeah, sure is.
We got some water action here, man. That's what Dave was waiting for. Okay. Yeah, he says stay to the right. Kind of sucks you in there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it kind of kicks you over.
The last half was rockier than the first half. This is pretty in here though, eh? Wow. I feel like I'm in a Frankie video. Oh yeah, we'll get to the highway, they'll have something smart to say.
Oh, for sure they will.
James will like, well, I finished the whole pack of smokes already. I finished 3 smokes and brewed a couple of cups of coffee and stuff.
I thought James is on the communicators for a second.
Oh, this is so beautiful in here.
I want to take in the scenery now.
Yeah, this section here, this was one of the nicest sections I remember. Look at this big tree that came down.
Oh, yes. Somebody chopped her up, eh?
Yeah. That's some nice sized timber in there. These are some big trees here. This is a pretty big loop we're taking today.
Oh, did you get me? I think we're going to beat our day yesterday.
I think so. I don't know if we'll beat the 175. I figured that one was safe, but who knows?
We'll be close. Oh, back in.
Oh, we're taking a picture?
There.
Welcome to Pine Junction Cabin. 24-hour grooming. Hey Dave, do you need to be groomed?
My back could use a good grooming.
So you see where James is watering the trees there? There's a sign that says, right in front of him, that says ATVs prohibited. So we can't go down that trail. So this is the trail we're going to be going down right here.
Well, it's nice and cool in here.
Oh, is it ever cool in here?
Hey, it's cool in here.
Moose and pork pepperoni. Beer sticks. Honey Dijon. Oh, and I got these pepperoni sticks too. So. Pickled herring. Cauliflowers. Not bad. Cauliflower with jalapeno dip. Lemon and cracked pepper herring fillets. Nom, 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 nom.
You're going to have lots of coffee.
Yeah, this is good. Cucumbers.
What could possibly go wrong?
Pickled onions. Nom, nom, nom. Smoked oysters. Rich snackwitches. Were you born? Or did you work on it every day? How am I supposed to do a review in there now?
Don't worry about it. Put your goggles on, you'll be okay. Your eyes won't water.
Crapper Reviews by Q. Well, we got yourself a structure here. It's even got eaves troughs that are clogged up, but they are eaves troughs.
Smells like pickled herring in there.
Yeah, it does. Let's have a look. Oh,
Structure
crap,
solid.
it stinks in here.
Structure solid.
It is solid.
We do have
We got toilet paper.
toilet paper. There is a light, but there's no bulb.
No bulb. and there's a window, ventilation. Oh, a shelf. The seat's fairly clean, despite the fact that James was in here high marking it. Well, what do you think, Dave, from Tamarack Trail Riders?
Well, it has toilet paper. That's 2 points.
2.5.
2.5? Well, there's just a little roll though. There isn't.
Okay, so 2.
2 points. We're going to deduct a half because of the quantity.
Okay, because you never know when you need a lot more than that.
Well, if you've had pickled herring, you know, that'll do that. There's a light, but there's no bulb.
Light,
we're going to deduct
but no bulb. We're deducting a point? It's just like not having a light, though. You just don't add the extras on.
You don't have to yell about it. The structure is really good. The toilet's good. Cleanliness is okay. I don't think it's as good as the last one, though.
So, 2.5 for the structure.
Yep.
A point for the toilet paper, or just 2 points?
We'll give it 1 point.
So, we're at 3.5. Cleanliness is a 1 point out of 2.5.
1.5.
I think we're totaling around 6, aren't we?
So we're going to give it a 0.5 because not many...
eavesdrop. Okay, so 6.5.
6.5.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Not bad. Oh, they're wanting me to go. Okay, and away we go.
Well, that was a bunch of shenanigans at a little lunch break.
Yeah.
It's good.
The lunch break at Pine Junction Shelter, and now we are on Grimes Trail, I think it's called.
I believe so, yeah.
Woo!
Keep right.
Oh, nice. This forest is just so freaking beautiful. So my camera died before we got here, but we were coming down this trail here, and this is what we find. Trapper's cabin, all locked up right now. It's 74 degrees, 24 Celsius, 74 Fahrenheit. Crapper reviews with Q and Big Dave from Tamarack Trail Riders, as we can see on the back of his shirt.
Come on in.
All right.
Oh my goodness. Wait till you see this.
Oh my Lord.
Hallelujah.
Look at this. Cedar on the pooper and then a wood seat.
Wood toilet paper.
It's clean.
It is spotless.
It's deep.
There's a light.
There's a light. Oh, that's it right there. Must be a little solar panel. Isn't that cool, eh?
This is rating high. Tin roof.
Got tin roof.
With fascia.
Yeah. Okay, well, obviously full 2.5 for the structure.
Yeah, obviously.
Cleanliness.
I'm giving them full points.
Uh-oh, a big horsefly flew in. Oh, no, he flew out. So, 2.5 for cleanliness.
So we're at 5 already. Toilet paper.
Toilet paper, that's another, oh, we got maybe a 2 on that.
Yeah.
2 out of 2.5, so that's 7. And then it's got the extras. That light is nice. That's another 1.5. There's no artwork or anything.
I'm giving this a Tamarack Trail Rider solid 9.
I'm giving this a Q review solid 9.
If you look up, you'll see a float plane.
Cue the screaming crowd noise. It looks good. Oh, there's a really cool duck right down there. He's got lots of orange on the head and stuff. And a white spot. This is a pretty little spot here. Awesome. That duck just bent over and took a crap in the water. Don't drink the water. What do you call 3 Tamarack Trail Riders and a Q crew guy sitting on the front step of a trapper's cabin?
Motley crew.
Yeah, that'd be about it.
Why is there my friend?
Nope. Fred, Ed, Harold.
I think you should have had a. You should have a here. Oh, it's possible. Because you're like barking pretty good there, buddy. There we stop. Wow, that was a nice cabin.
It's just a plain basic structure, but the guy had it nice and neat. Everything was The road coming in here is nice. Everything's nice. Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
I'm in a Frankie video.
Yeah.
Man, this is a fun trail. Holy shit, man. Oh, Frankie. You guys would love this one. Oh, that was air.
Trail right here.
Stay there, I'll be right back.
Yeah.
Because this might be a little bit of a camping spot in here too then, eh? Oh yeah, it is. It is a nice little spot in here. For, well, you could probably get...
What's that?
You could probably get 2 cameras in here, or campers. No, 1 for sure, bud.
Trucks.
Okay.
There's definitely trucks.
Yep.
Trail maintenance.
Trail maintenance with James. The front and back angle clearance or whatever.
What kind of clearance?
Angle!
Oh, when that sun comes out, she's warm. What a good 8 day.
Man, this is freaking awesome.
Putting on the miles today.
Mm-hmm. Ain't that the name of some fancy liquor? Mm-hmm.
How's it look?
Looks like a nice little trail. But I have a feeling this is a bear baiting station.
I'll wait.
Because there's a bunch of big moguls.
Yeah, I know.
Well, it's still going, so come on in.
I'm waving the other guys in.
I didn't see a flag. Did you see a flag?
Nope. Whoa! This is cool.
Oh, it's still going.
Right on.
Pretty sure this is a hunting trail.
Cool trail, huh?
Yeah, here we go. It says Spring Fall Bear Hunting Lower Fishing Lake J.M. Drabiak. So he's got his sign here to stop us from going like really far and then it's a dead end.
Yeah.
That's awful nice of him.
Nice trail.
Nice camo. Nice baby, yeah. Bug in the ear.
Yeah, I had one too.
Hello.
I'm not the why.
Why, baby? Why, baby? Why, baby? Why?
That is sure passable by truck.
It sure is.
So these guys are probably bringing their truck in there.
Yep.
The truck tracks here at the Y.
At the YMCA.
I don't even know why we didn't see him before.
Taco's at the YMCA. He's at the YMCA. He can do the signals. Little Bear, 26 kilometers west.
So how many kilometers we got now in this big loop?
We're at 131. We're going to be pretty close to what we were yesterday. You are here. So this is 26 kilometers to here, and we got to go up here. Yesterday we were at like, how many kilometers? 150-ish or something? 142? 144? 145?
Yeah, something like that. 140 something.
It's going to be about the same today. Maybe a little more. 131, Taco. 131.
Another good day.
Another good day on the trails.
Thought it would be more than that.
What a dick. You You I knew that was coming. I knew you couldn't leave it alone. What a bunch of
At least that was nice.
Oh, you and Curtis, James and what a couple of dicks.
Good thing you had your leggings on.
Yeah. No, hey, yeah, I didn't get any in my boots.
Hey, what was the footage though?
Oh, it was awesome. A lot of swear words I gotta beep out though. Oh, bear poop! Don't hit it. The Mossy River. Oh, there's the lake. You guys said you could see that. You know what? I totally missed this yesterday. Holy, that is massive. I gotta stop and take a picture.
Just in case.
Rear brakes only. Cross our fingers, maybe we get lucky.
Yeah, you never know. I ain't getting lucky.
Yeah, right. That trail looked so promising when we first looked into it, eh? She doesn't look good at all here.
Oh, she's looking thick.
It is thick. Oh, wait a minute. There's people actually driving in here. You can see it's beat down.
Kind of spooky down here.
Freaky. Oh yeah, it opens up here.
Let's come in?
Yeah, come have a look. Oh wow. Holy Taco, look at this.
Oh.
Looks like a highway. Oh, maybe not anymore though. It did look like a highway for a while there. Ah, no way. Look at this.
Yeah, no. Turn around. Okay, back to town.
Low. Batman. Mega grit in the teeth.
Thanks for tuning in to Q2.
Yeah, you know what? Honestly, that's a good point, Taco. That's a really good point. Just a huge thanks to everybody that subscribes to Quadding Seuss, everybody that watches the videos, and especially to everybody that puts down the comments, because we love reading the comments. I'm one of those people that will chat with anyone, so yeah.
Hit the link to subscribe.
Smash that thumbs up button.
Another ride in the books.
Somebody's fishing out here. Company.
I'm out of fuel.
Are you just here?
It's water coming up the road.
No way, that's awesome. Well, holy moly, Taco.
Holy moly.
Here we are, 165 kilometers back at the camp.
Thanks for watching.